Yan ah. Bonus na yan. Bonus shot by number Bulls. 67-55. BC na kalamangan ng Tagbilaran City. Number 7, tinirang 3. Yes, sir! RMP, Totokor, Jacob and Brian Gamarni, biggest man for the wins. Number... Okay. Sumalasak. Yes, sir! 8 na lang ang kalamangan. Number 3. Pasa. Yan! Sayang si number 80. Walang bantay. Yes, sir! Basket yan. Pass to number 60. Labian. 6 na lang ang kalamangan ng Tagbilaran. 1 minute and 11 seconds remaining time na third quarter. Number 16. Sumalaksak, umikot, tinira. Yes, sir! 8 ng kalamangan ng Tagbilaran. Number 21. Dribbling the ball. Tinira ang 3. Pasok! 5 na lang ang kalamangan. 94-79. 5 minutes and 8 seconds remaining time the fourth and final quarter. 80. Balik kay number 16. Tinira ang 3. Yes, sir! 98 against 83. 2 minutes and 47 seconds remaining time in the fourth quarter. Number 7 in the 3-point line. Pasok! Dumasin. 6-3. Pass to 80. Tinira ng 3. Yes, sir! 3 points. Number 7 to 80. Yes, sir!